Today, I want to share some insights on the effective way to study physics, a subject that is as fascinating as it is challenging. Whether you are grappling with Newton's laws or delving with mysteries of quantum mechanics, having a solid strategy is crucial. Physics can be of class 11th or of class 12th or any competitive entrance examination like IIT, JEE or NEET. According to me, there are three steps to learn physics and get a good score. Step number one, understand the basic concepts thoroughly, whether we have laws, phenomena, principles, statements, etc. You should be able to speak up that concept in your own mother tongue, whether it is Punjabi or Hindi or English or any other language. I can use all the three languages effectively. Second step, have a clear understanding of the theory behind it. Theoretical approach to any physics concept can make that concept easy to understand. Then finally, step number three, application of the concept, that is numerical problems. Numericals play a very important role in getting a good score in any entrance examination. Hello, my dear students. I am an author of physics books and I have been teaching for more than 30 years. I have taught in many leading educational institutions for the competitive entrance examination and still going to many as a guest faculty. My name is Jasminderjeet Singh, and at present I am managing and directing an educational institution in the name of Atal Academy, a beacon of knowledge and excellence in education. You can join my free detailed workshop on how to learn physics and score a good rank in not only boards but also in the competitive entrance examination. In this workshop, I will discuss all the three steps in detail and how to make the complicated concepts easier. I will also discuss about the free courses which we are offering this year. So do join this workshop and get registered now. Thank you.